Hello, fellow fiber creators and collectors. I have a series of videos that I am going to be exploring monthly yarn subscriptions and one fiber subscription. My main criteria is limiting them to the cost of $25 or less per month. I have several packages from Mary Maxim, KnitCrates, Darn Good Yarn, Annie's, Hook and Needle, that I'm going to be unboxing, and then a few more that I found on Etsy and on some other really cool websites that I'll go into when I get to them. There's 9 different sites here, and I have 2 from KnitCrate, 2 from an Etsy lady, and 2 from Mary Maxim. And I'm going to be unboxing them and giving details on all of them in the next few videos. So join me and let's have some fun unboxing some fluffy stuff. Good morning. This is the next episode of our monthly subscription unboxing, and today I'm going to be doing KnitCrate. I had to recheck when I bought these in April. They were in the under $25 per month subscription, but that has changed. But we'll go ahead and unbox them and see what kind of goodies they got. They've also changed. They were doing an eco-friendly packaging, is which this is, but I just looked on the computer and they are just offering their traditional packaging and kits now. So I'll go over that too. So I have 2 of them here. This one is the monthly the knit and crochet package. It has a thicker wool, and this is the sock package, and I think we'll do the sock package first. I've gotten these from KnitCrate before, and they do have some really pretty yarn. They used to also offer a bright color, normal color, and then a neutral color. And I always pick the neutral color crates because, you know, that's what I like. So this is March's Heartstrings by KnitCrate. Tree planting. This project evidently they're not doing anymore. So I will go ahead and order another set of the traditional packaging, and we'll do an unboxing later next month. So we have our featured free. They are supporting their tree planting and regeneration efforts in Texas. And their heartstrings, smelling roses and luscious chocolates. And let's see what the yarn is. Oh, Bondi Woods. Dreamy sock yarn, real pretty brown, earthy brown, real soft. It is, let's take a look here. Mower Coffee is the name of it. 60% superwash, blue face Leicester. I'm not pronouncing that right, I know. 20% alpaca and 20% nylon. Fingering weight 400 yards. Machine wash. Lay flat to dry. Uses the smaller B-size crochet hook and a 1 to 3 gauge. You know, and I should have looked up the pattern that's this month's pattern, and that's where we go with this here. Or it's also on Ravelry. If you have a Ravelry account, you put this in and it'll give you the code to get all the patterns free. So it's a really squishy yarn, soft. Anyway, I always like the yarn that I get from KnitCrate. It's always a really pretty color. Usually soft. Let's see what we've got here. So you can see. And it is a, oh, I don't know what kind of ply it is. So let's see. It's like a 4-ply. Yep, 4-ply yarn. Should make for some really pretty socks or a nice scarf. So this, like I say, when I got this one, it was $19.99 plus shipping, and it fell under the $25 a month subscription. I just looked online. It is now, the $24.99 was $6.95 shipping. The first month, you get an intro offer of $14.99 plus this, I'm sorry, $12.49 plus the $6.95 shipping. So the first month, it does fall under the $25 at $19 a skein. And if you do look online, most hand-dyed natural fiber skeins of yarn usually start around $20. And that's I've seen some that are up to $30 a skein for the hand-dyed natural fibers. So you got to keep in mind, this is not big box store acrylic. This is natural fibers. It does have 20% nylon in it for durability. Most sock yarns do. But like I say, it's not acrylic. It's long lasting. It's natural fibers and not man-made. And it also has the alpaca in it. So if you do a 6-month subscription, it's $23.99, and there is no shipping costs on that. Same with the 12-month. So technically, if you do more than 1 month at a time, you will get a disc. It will be under the $25 a month. I don't know how many socks and shawls y'all can knit and crochet. And you don't see my yarn stash here. I collect yarn. I knit and crochet on the side, but I really do love yarn and fiber. So anyway, and then we have the other one, which is the it's not that, it is the Quick to Stitch Monthly Club. And it is yarn, crochet, and knit patterns and other than sock patterns. And it's usually thicker worsted or DK yarn. And again, this is the eco-friendly packaging. And when I just looked on, this is April 18th. 2021, they no longer have this option. They just have the traditional packaging. It's shipped in a teal box with a printed pattern and a digital download. So this is kind of outdated, and I'm sorry. They went through so many changes this last month. So let's see what we got in this one here. Oh, I got 2 skeins. This is pretty great. Like I say, I picked the neutral colors, so mine are kind of bland. They also have, let's see, honk if I dropped a yarn ball. Bumper sticker. I like that. This is a March 2021 KnitCrate. Some last minute changes we had to make. I'm going to let you know all the details. Thanks for being a loyal member. Download your patterns or an inspiration booklet. And like I say, they have it right here. You can go to, I don't think they're doing this anymore. They're just printing out the pattern books. And this is one of the pattern books that I got from a previous order. Actually, this was the May 29th, so it's 2 years ago. But it does have the yarns, beautiful yarns that they make. The patterns, they tell you about who made them, who developed the patterns. They have a crochet pattern, and then they also have a knit pattern. And then, of course, the sock and the knit and the Quick to Stitch and the sock all come with the same book. So you actually get the sock patterns as well as the others. And this one here, ooh, isn't that pretty? This is April, a couple years ago. But I'm digressing. This month, I actually ordered the Sock Club, and this was the yarn that I got. And I have yet to make them, of course, because I have turned from a creator to a collector. Anyway, so this is this one here. And this is their store brand. I cannot pronounce that. Don't ask me to pronounce that. But you can see. It uses the I size, I to K size, 90% alpaca, 10% tinsel. It's an Aryan weight, 150 yards. Really, I wish I had the patterns to show you, because I usually have some really interesting patterns. But this is with the alpaca. Of course, it's really super soft. And if you look close, you can see there's like just maybe I don't know if I can get a good picture of it there. It's not just gray. There's kind of like a different colors in there, blues and grays. Very soft. That's going to make a really pretty hat, I think. I'm going to have to see what their pattern is this month. It may be, oh, that's what it is. These are their patterns. There's the sock, the boot covers, the hand warmers, and then they have the 2 sock patterns, which I'm sure. Let's see what we've got here. That's crochet, that's knit, and then you have, Get my glasses on here so I can see. These are crochet and these are knit. But I think I might try something different with it, or I will just collect it up like I did the sock pattern. These are, it's really nice. Like I say, it's natural wool. It's not the acrylic man-made yarn, so they're always going to be more expensive than, like, oh well, I can go down to one of the stores and buy one for just, you know, $7 or $8 or $4 or $5. This is okay. So this is the yarn that you get for your friends or your loved ones, that you really want to make something nice for and not itchy and scratchy. So this one here has the intro offer of $14.99 a month, $7.95 shipping. It's $22.94. And then it goes to the $29.99 a month with $7.95 shipping and handling, which really kind of bothers me because when I did this, it was $19.95 free shipping per crate. You also get, if you join the KnitCrate, you get stash points and you can buy yarns. They also don't just have the yarn of the month. They also have a store there that you can buy, like if you want to buy more of this or some of the other stuff that they had on previous kits. They have a destash page where people sell stuff they get or trade it for other colors. Like they have it's like a mystery. You get there's 3 different colors that they offer, and they just send you one of them. And if you don't like that and you want to trade it or for another one or sell it and then buy somebody else's of the same color, you can, of the color that you want, you can do that. So you get, when you join KnitCrate, you also get KnitCrate stash points, which is $5 for every 100 points. I think I've got 245 points, but I haven't used them yet. This is a real popular club, but I'm really kind of disappointed that when I did this, it was less than $25 a month, and now it's more than $25 a month. Even with the 6-month subscription and the 12-month subscription, it's still over my $25 baseline for reviewing these. So, but yeah, I just absolutely love this little sticker that they sent. I don't know if I'm going to put that on my car or not. I might just put it here in my room. Anyway, yeah, it's like I say, I'm a little disappointed that it was over $25 a month, but they've always had such really good, I mean, they have very high quality yarn, and I don't do it enough to get the monthly subscription for more than a month at a time. And that's another thing. When you can log on to your account, you get one, and say you want to skip a month or 2, or cancel your subscription. It's real easy to do. You go to your account and then you manage your subscriptions, and you can cancel them. And then they give you a preview of the next month coming up, the kind of colors that they're going to do. They don't actually show you the yarn or the type or anything like that, but they kind of show you the color scheme. And if it's something you think you might like, you can go ahead and reactivate your subscription. But that's pretty much it. I really, like I say, I bought these before. And like, these are the neutral colors. They have bright colors, which are like the oranges and the reds and the yellows. And then they have a more subtle color, the cool colors, the blues and the greens and that type of thing. But anyway, that's my review of the KnitCrate subscription of the month. And when I will go ahead and order, probably in June, another set, and I will probably order well, I can't pick the colors anymore, so we'll find out what kind of mystery colors they send us, and then I will unbox with the normal traditional boxing, and it'll have the booklet and everything in it. Anyway, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you like this, and I've got more coming. Bye.